Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to enable dark mode on YouTube. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is the easiest way to upload videos online and watch videos with almost every type of content. We can share videos of any content like facts, cooking, daily vlogging, or totally study material. There is no limitation on the size or content of the video, and also, we can search for any type of video. In order to enable dark mode on YouTube, you first need to go to your web browser and type youtube.com and hit enter. Now click on the profile button. Click on appearance. Now click on dark theme. As you can see, the YouTube is changed into dark mode. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.